Okay, my friends, here we go. Big time math. We are regrouping ones. So this is our 3-digit addition, regrouping ones. No, I don't want to see a manatee doing an algorithm just yet. Okay, and when I say algorithm, that means just lining up your numbers, HTO, and adding. We got to that point with our 2-digit addition, but really that is not part of our 2nd grade standard, okay? That's something that we do later on in 3rd grade, 4th grade, and 5th grade. So 2nd grade, it's very important that you understand 10 ones is 110. 10 tens is 100. So we're going to continue using our models. We'll actually use our quick picks to add, and we're also going to use the numbers. So eventually, I don't mind if we transition to the algorithm. But if you're one of my friends who just likes to write numbers and says, I just know it and that's how I know it, I'm not going to accept it, because I have to know that you understand how to break apart add-ins. It's all number sense, okay? And so it's kind of like babies don't just get born and start running, right? So that's never happened. They have to crawl. Sometimes they do different things. They maybe crawl differently, but they don't just jump up as soon as they're born and start running. So it's developmental, and that's where we are at. So take a look here. If we have the number 246 and 117, first thing we're going to do is draw our quick picks. So we have 200. We have 4 tens because 4 is in the tens place, which means 40. And then we have our 6 ones. You see how they're regrouping? And then they bring that 10 over. Then they add in their columns, HTO columns right here, right? Okay, so once that is, when we have all of these, we make a 10, we bring that 10 over. Well, how many ones do we have left over? 1, 2, 3. So the 3 gets written down right here, right? Now we're ready to add our tens. So see, we only have 3 ones left. We have 4 tens plus now 2 tens, because it was 1 10 and an additional 10 we brought over. So that gives us, 6 tens. And now we are ready to add our hundreds. 3 hundreds, right? 1, 2, 3. 2 plus 1, 3. All right, so we're going to move down here and we will do our quick picks. Okay, let me see if I can make this even a little bit tinier. I don't know that it's going to make, I don't know that I can make my marker smaller. And we're going to go over this in our virtual lesson today. Okay, so I have 328. So I would have 1, 2, 3. Somehow this one didn't stay. I would have 310, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, I already know I'm regrouping my ones because look, 8 plus 4, I know that's more. And then I know it's more than 9. I'm sorry, it's more than 9. And once we have a digit over 9, that's a 10. As soon as we have a 10, we know we need to regroup, right? So 134 I have. 100, 10, 20, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, let me get a different color here. I'll use yellow. Make sure my size is still teeny tiny. Yep. All right, so I'm looking to make 10. So I have 8, which means I need to grab 2 more over here, right? Because 8 and 2 makes a 10. So once I make that 10, then I bring another 10 over here. So that gives me how many ones left over? Very good, 2 ones left over. Now I'm ready to add my tens. I have my 2 tens plus my 3 tens, which is 5 tens, which means the value is 50. But now I have that extra 10 that I had to regroup and bring over here. So now I have 6 tens, which is 60. And now I'm ready to add my hundreds. 3 and 1 is 4. Okay. Now when I regrouped that 10, that's saying that 8 plus 4 is actually, it's not 2, it's 12. And because when I write the number 12, look at this. When I write the number 12, I can't put it in one place, can I? I actually have, there's my TO. I have my H, T, O. So I have 110. So when we write it, it's kind of like we're writing it. If I put my hand over the 2 and the 3 and I couldn't see that, it would be like writing 12 only diagonally. 110, 2 ones. Okay? And that's how we do our math today. Now you're going to have an interactive student edition. Later on today, I'm going to go over a second page of this. But watch your Math on the Spot video and then do your interactive student edition on Think Central. If you're not sure or you're worried that you're not going to get over 70% and be in the green, then wait until our virtual class meeting today and you can ask me any questions and we'll go over it. And then you have all week to finish it. No stress. Okay? See you soon, guys.